We are here in Takayal Province with a Mind-Free World Banyan Learning Tree, and we're here with team member Ban Ben, who teaches chicken rearing and agriculture courses. And today we're visiting Yoem Sambat, who just finished the 3-month agriculture and chicken rearing training course at Ban's farm. And now at his own residence, he has many successes, which Ban will tell us about.
And after he finished the agriculture course, he started to bring the chicken, breeding chicken, to start at the house. Now, and he do an hatching appropriate technology. He make himself to hatch the egg, not due to the mother hatching, because we can take more egg to generate the chicken. Now he hatching the egg by use the lamp, corrosion lamp, to get the warmth and heat the egg by incubator. And this, and after hatching, he make like, and he is learning to separate, to get the warmth for them. And after he bring them to another place to separate also, they can release, they can sleep, they can get the warmth. Then after they grow and 2 weeks, and after they also bring to another place to can see, and 1 month old for the pig after they are grown up. Chicken, and after 1 month, so we release them on the ground to find their own feed, also some grass or eating some worm or something. They can find their own food. This is the feed that he make. He learned from the training course, so he can use a local feed like a banana tree or kangkong, like a morning glover for the feed chicken, and with the right brand. And also this the chicken, the layer mother chicken. Mother chicken. This is mother chicken, and for produce the egg. And this one here going to sell, and this month going to sell this month, and for the chicken.
So a very successful chicken rearing business here for Landmine survivor Yoem Sambat, thanks to his Canadian Landmine Foundation 3-month sponsored chicken rearing and agriculture training course.